बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ आर यू ऑल? हमने सेंड मी एन ईमेल पढ़ लिया है, ठीक है ना। अब नेक्स्ट यूनिट है यूनिट 3 लेसन 3 एंड ईमेल फ्रॉम मिस्टर बर्की, ठीक है। अब मिस्टर बर्की ने जो ईमेल की है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि उन्होंने क्या ईमेल की है। तो पहले रीडिंग सुन लेते हैं, ठीक है ना। रीडिंग बहुत ध्यान से सुननी है, ठीक है ना। हर वर्ड को गौर से देखना सुनना है, ठीक है ना। और जो वर्ड्स डिफ़िकल्ट लगते हैं आप लोगों को प्रोनाउंस करने में, वीडियो रिवाइंड करके आप लोगों ने वो बार बार सुनने हैं, उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है, ठीक है ना। शीशे के आगे खड़ा होकर लाउड होकर हर वर्ड को रिपीट करें, ठीक है ना। चलें रीडिंग सुनते हैं।
Unit 3, Lesson 3. An email from Mr. Burki. Read and listen. Find two paragraphs to match picture A and picture B.
Dear Asma, Saira, Imran and Nadia. 1. I hope you're all well. Today I'm in the capital of Nepal, Kathmandu. It's a big city with buses, modern hotels, restaurants and parks. In the older parts of the town, there are large temples built of wood. I've just found an internet cafe where I can email you. 2. Life in the mountains where I'm working is very different. There's no TV or radio. There aren't any roads or railway. The valleys are very steep, with rivers and forests. If you want to go somewhere, you must walk. Bad luck, Saira. Mules carry loads on their backs into the mountains. 3. People here speak Nepali. It's very different from Urdu. I can't understand Nepali, and the people here can't understand Urdu, so we speak English. 4. In the mountains, people get up late in the morning because it's so cold. Then they cook some rice and dal. They work in the fields until 5 o'clock, but they come home. The children fetch more water and feed the goats and the hens. Aren't you lucky, you 3? When it is dark, they cook the evening meal. Here in the mountains, they grow and eat a lot of potatoes. You'd like that, Nadia. 5. The local people are helping us to build the bridge. They bring large stones for the bases. When the bridge is finished, people can cross the river to the village on the other side. Before we built the bridge, they had to walk around the top of the river. The walk took 2 whole days. 6. We're doing this work during the dry season. In July, the monsoons will come and the riverbeds will be full of water. We can't build bridges during the rainy season. 7. Last week, there was a festival at the temple in our village. People came from far away and stayed for 2 days. There was a market with lots of music too. I've got some great photos which I will attach to this email. 8. I'm getting very thin because I'm working so hard and because I'm walking so much. I miss you all. Love from Baba.